Back in my college days, I studied abroad in Spain and spent the whole summer sipping on sangria. Fast forward to today, I'm making some delicious winter-inspired sangria, which is perfect for the upcoming holiday season. We're using some red wine along with brandy and my favorite winter fruits. This is going to be a must to add to your cocktail menu, so stick around for this easy recipe. I love making cocktails, so there will be plenty of more cocktail recipes coming to this channel soon. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along for more. This recipe is so simple, but it does require a little prep work. Starting out, we're going to slice 2 oranges into thin quartered wedges. Then you can use your favorite type of apple, core that, and also slice it into thin quartered wedges. I'm using a Honeycrisp here, but a Granny Smith would be delicious as well. Moving along, grab your pitcher along with 1 cup of fresh cranberries. Muddle these cranberries to help release some of their juice. Then you'll add in your sliced apples and oranges to the serving pitcher. This cocktail has a lot of depth and layers of flavor, so to help with that, we're adding 2 cinnamon sticks. Then the arguably most important part of this whole drink is 1 bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon. If you can't find this option, you can also use another of your favorite dry red wine. Next, we're adding in 2 cups of apple cider along with half a cup of brandy. Both of these ingredients are going to add a nice, rich winter warmth to this sangria that's very different than your traditional summer sangria. Then cover the pitcher with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours to allow the flavors to marry. Then to serve, fill a wine glass with the chilled sangria and enjoy. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.